Cerebral palsy can present a range of physical and cognitive challenges that can make it difficult to play certain types of video games. However, there are many games that are accessible to players with cerebral palsy, including Minecraft. This open-world game allows players to explore and create their own environments at their own pace. It can be played on a variety of platforms and offers a range of accessibility options, including the ability to adjust game speed and difficulty levels. Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. This racing game offers multiple control options, including motion controls, which can be ideal for players with limited mobility. It also features adjustable assistive settings, such as auto acceleration and smart steering. Animal Crossing: New Horizons. This life simulation game allows players to build and maintain their own island paradise. It has a relaxed pace and offers multiple control options, including touchscreen controls and motion controls. Pokémon Sword and Shield. This role-playing game allows players to explore a vast world, collect Pokémon, and battle other trainers. It features adjustable assistive settings, including one-handed play, and has a simple interface that can be easier for some players with cerebral palsy to navigate. Overcooked 2. This cooking game allows players to work together to prepare meals in increasingly challenging kitchens. It offers a range of accessibility options, including adjustable game speed, and can be played with multiple control options. Tetris Effect. This puzzle game offers a visually stunning and immersive experience that can be enjoyed at any pace. It can be played with multiple control options, including motion controls, and has adjustable assistive settings, such as auto drop and hold. Untitled Goose Game. This comedic stealth game allows players to take on the role of a mischievous goose and wreak havoc on an unsuspecting village. It has a simple interface and can be played at any pace. Celeste. This challenging platformer game features a wide range of assistive settings, including invincibility and slower game speed. It also has a simple control scheme that can be easier for some players with cerebral palsy to use. Stardew Valley. This farming simulator game allows players to build and manage their own farm and community. It has a relaxed pace and can be played with multiple control options, including touchscreen controls. The Sims 4. This life simulation game allows players to create and manage their own virtual families and homes. It features adjustable game speed and a simple interface that can be easier for some players with cerebral palsy to use.